Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set a video as a live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have seen a video on any social media platform like Instagram, Snapchat or TikTok and you want to set it as a live wallpaper, so how you can set it. For example, if you have simply seen that video on TikTok, then it is easy to set it as a live wallpaper on your iPhone. So if you want to set it, then what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now for example, if you have find the video from the TikTok, then it is easy. So first of all, I will tell you later about the TikTok. Then first of all, if you have see that video on Instagram or any platform, then you have simply download that video, and after that you can simply save it as a live photo using any website. So you have simply search on Google any website that converts a video into live photo, and after that you have simply convert it into a live photo. And after that, now if you have seen that video on TikTok, then you can simply set it as live wallpaper. For example, here is the video you have simply seen on TikTok. Now if you want to set it as live wallpaper, so here you have to click on that. Now what you have to do, you have to click on that share button, and after that if you swipe to the right, then you will find option of live photo here. So here you can simply find an option related to live photo. So if you find it, then you can simply set it as a live photo on your iPhone. So here you have to simply look for a video, and after that you have to click on that, and you will find a video and set it as live photo. Then you can simply find it. You can simply click on live photo, and that photo will be saved as live photo on your iPhone. Now if you want to set it as wallpaper, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to wallpaper, and then you have to click on add new wallpaper, and here is, you will find live photo. So you have to simply click on that, and here you will find all of the live photos you have recently saved. So you can simply select that photo, and you can set it as live wallpaper. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.